For banana oatmeal pancakes, we will need eggs, bananas, old-fashioned oats, baking powder, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and olive oil. So this banana oatmeal pancakes recipe is from the Med Instead of Meds program, and these are a healthier version of pancakes because instead of usually using white flour for the base of the pancakes, this uses oatmeal and bananas and eggs to hold it all together. I really like this recipe, very tasty and especially with fruit on top, but on weekends I like to jazz it up a little bit and make something special for breakfast. And so I like to make pancakes, but it's a challenge to find healthy pancake recipes. So this is my go-to pancake recipe now. Instead of adding syrup as the go-to to put on your pancakes, why not try some fruit on it? It's really, really easy. All you do is put it on the stove top, let it cook down a little bit, and it's delicious. Warm fruit on there or peanut butter. I love peanut butter. It's a healthier topping than syrup.